Okay, y'all, it's me, Buck Hunter, and I'm out here watering the yard. Look what I just witnessed. This bug, this wasp just landed on this other bug, and there's like spiders in here, and they're fighting. It's like a bug versus a spider. They're fighting over something. Oh my goodness. It's like a wasp and a spider, and they're just, what is happening? Oh my God. I'm gonna get stung. Oh my gosh, we're gonna talk about this on stream. What is that? Oh God. Oh, ah. I'm out of here, y'all. This is